I see you. What are you doing? Are you helping Grandpa throw the ball?
I will hit it.
Keep your eye.
Wave. Oh.
Get my father. Gigi, you need to put your shoes on.
Your bossy boots. Hit it. Oh. You got to watch it careful.
Too early.
Pass it to Grandpa. Just pass it to him. Here, I got it.
Thank you.
Who's that girl? Who's that girl? All right.
This time, what you got?
Keep your eye on the ball.
Okay.
Oh, see, I was testing you.
All right.
Wow.
Woohoo!
Wow.